Hello, and welcome to the Cycles Report for Wednesday, September 11th, 2024. Throw the map out the window, take the long way around. On Wednesday, the moon begins first quarter phase, and the stepping out to take action is supported by the majority of the day in Sagittarius. It moves to Capricorn at 10:38 p.m., ushering in a period of grounding. We consolidate projects versus beginning them, repair and restructure what may need a better foundation. It may be colored by solidifying finances or value systems. Our aspect of the day happens late as well, so we may feel it as much Thursday as Wednesday. At 11:41 p.m., Mercury, at the Sabian of a man dreaming of fairies, perfects sextile to Mars at the Sabian of an automobile wrecked by a train. A sextile brings ease and seems needed with the lower octave Mars Sabian. The man dreaming of fairies shows us the magic of vision and imagination. We are able to find solutions as if by magic. The automobile and train tell us when to stop or take a break. The fast track is cautioned against during this window. Adding these together, I see inspiration coming by taking a break or not being focused on doing it our way and or urgently. The sun and earth show us an automobile caravan and a table set for an evening meal. The caravan is about group adventure and being a part of the action. Involve others in your plans and look for ways to make difficult tasks more enjoyable, like setting the table for an evening meal. Dinner will happen regardless, so don't lose out on an opportunity by failing to commit. The evening meal shows us we have everything we need. As you give, so shall you receive. Don't take unfair advantage of others or forget to express appreciation when someone goes out of their way to make your life more comfortable. There's a time for taking things quickly and being decisive. Today is a day to take it slow instead.